Hello, boys and girls. This is Miss K. Today I'm going to read aloud an informational text titled Needs and Wants, written by Nadia Higgins. Let's look at the front cover of this text. The title is Needs and Wants. What do you see here? I see a lollipop and green apple. Do you think we need an apple or do we want an apple? Do you think we need a lollipop or do we want a lollipop? So we're going to read about the difference between needs and wants. Let's get started. We have a table of contents here. A table of contents is located at the beginning of the text and lists key topics in the book with the page number in the order they are presented. In this table of contents, we have needs before wants on page 4, need or want on page 22, picture glossary on page 23, an index on page 24, and to learn more on page 24 as well. The first subtitle we have here is Needs Before Wants. A subtitle indicates the main idea of a section of the text. It is lunchtime. Bo wants dessert. But what does he need first? Healthy foods. So Bo wants desserts, but he needs healthy foods. Mike has money for a drink. He wants soda. Does he need it? Do you think Mike needs soda? No, his body needs water. So he wants soda, but he needs water. Mia and her mom shop. Mia wants a pool toy, but they need sunscreen. First they buy sunscreen. They have money left over. Now Mia can buy a toy. Does Mia need or want a pool toy? Tiff's dad gives her money at the store. She needs fruit. She wants fruit. She buys apples. Yum! Zach wants a snowboard, but he needs a winter coat. His mom buys him a coat first. Why does Zach's mom buy him a coat before a snowboard? Very good, because he needs a coat but wants a snowboard. Rita wants a new bike. Does she need it? No, her bike works. So Rita wants a new bike, but she doesn't need it because she already has a bike that works. Rita saves her allowance. Soon she will have enough money. She will buy a new bike. What do you need? What do you want? Let's discuss this. I need healthy food for my body, but I want junk food like potato chips. How about you? Need or want? So we have 4 pictures over here. This is a photograph of gummy worms. This is broccoli. This is hard-boiled eggs. And this is a cupcake. Do you think we need gummy worms? Very good. We don't need gummy worms, but we might want gummy worms. What about broccoli? Do we need broccoli or do we want broccoli? Excellent. We need broccoli because it is a healthy food. What about hard-boiled eggs? Do we need eggs or do we want eggs? Very good. We need hard-boiled eggs because it is healthy. What about this cupcake over here? Do we need this cupcake or do we want a cupcake? Yes, we definitely want the cupcake, but we don't need it. Very good, boys and girls. Now let's come and look at this page over here. This is a picture glossary. A glossary helps us to understand new or text important words. So the first one we have over here is allowance. Allowance is money earned for doing chores. The next word is healthy. Healthy means good for one's body. The next word we have is need. Something we need to survive, such as healthy food, water, and shelter. So what we just talked about over here was that we need broccoli and the hard-boiled eggs because they are healthy foods that our body needs. A want is something we would like but we don't need. And we just talked about this over here as well. The gummy worms and the cupcake is something that we want but we don't necessarily need. This is an index. An index helps us to quickly find where the specific information we are looking for is located. So for example, let's say we were looking for more information on dessert. We would go look for the word dessert, which is right here. So the information on dessert is on page 4. So that helps us to locate information on dessert more easily. If we wanted to locate specific information on soda, we would come to soda, and it is on page 6. Boys and girls, we have learned about needs and wants today. I want you to take out a piece of blank paper and a pencil. And the first thing I want you to do is to fold the paper in half. The next thing I want you to do is write needs on one side of the paper. And then on the other half of the paper, I want you to write the word wants. And then after that, I want you to write a list of needs and wants. So for example, we have an example over here. Okay, so you're going to fold the piece of paper in half, right? And then on one side, you're going to write needs. And then the next side, you're going to write wants. And then I want you to list some needs. And then the other side, I want you to list some wants. I hope you enjoyed today's read aloud.